your skepticism of hadith, as I've explained to you, is on the basis that you find some things in there that you find unpalatable. Now, as a Muslim, let me just answer the question. As a Muslim, what does Allah say? Enter into Islam completely, not partially. Some things you might not like, but Allah says in the Quran, you may dislike something that is good for you, and you may dislike something that is good for you, and like something that is actually very detrimental for you. So Allah explains this, for example, for fahisha, for sex out of marriage, which pretty much everyone does, including people from her. They do it openly now. Openly, and they even in the churches they say as long as you love each other, it's okay. Islam says haram. And what does Allah say in the Quran? Allah says don't even go near.